पुंसितमपि च श्रुतं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देव गेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना पूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कथावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्थं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं वशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायण महामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनम् कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धोः सलिलं सलीलं यशोकवह्निं जनकात्मजायाः आदाय तेनैव ददाहलङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम् आञ्जनेयमभिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहम् पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनम् यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिम् बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठम् वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्कर्माञ्जलिसम्पुटैरहरः सम्यक् पिबत्यादरात् वाल्मीकिर्वदनारविन्दगलितं रामायणाख्यं मधु जन्मव्याधिजरा विपत्तिमरणैरत्यन्तसोपद्रवम् संसारं स विहाय गच्छति पुमान् विष्णोः पदं शाश्वतम् तदुपगतसमाससन्धियोगं सममधुरोपनतार्थवाक्यबद्धम् रघुवरचरितं मुनिप्रणीतं दशशिरसश्च पदं विशामयध्वम् वाल्मीकिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनातुभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी शोकसारजलाकीर्णं सर्गकल्लोलसङ्कुलम् काण्डग्राहमहामीनं वन्दे रामायणार्णवम् वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदः प्राचेतसादासि साक्षात् रामायणात्मना वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने संस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रभञ्जनसुखे तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परम् व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामळम् वामे भूमिसुता पुरस्तु हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदयोर्वायुवादिकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामळम् नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः धर्मात्मा सत्यसन्धश्च रामो दाशरथिर्यदि पौरुषे चाप्रतिद्वन्द्वः शरीरं जहि रावणिम् मानिषादप्रतिष्ठां त्वम् अगमः शाश्वती समाः यत्रं च विदुनादेकम् अवधीः काममोहितम् सकृदेव प्रपन्नाय तवास्मीति च याचते अभयं सर्वभूतेभ्यो ददाम्येतद्व्रतं मम अभयं सर्वभूतेभ्यो ददाम्येतद्व्रतं मम श्रीहरये नमः श्रीहरये नमः श्रीहरये
जानकीकान्तस्मरणम्
जय जय राम राम
आपदामपहर्तारम्
दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्.
Sri Yugala Shatakam is a collection of 100 songs. Each song is a big treasure. Right in the beginning, Premyanda gives us some big blessing. How to make sure that your life is comfortable, your life is happy, your life is peaceful. Sukha. Everybody wants some sukha. No? So he's saying, whatever sukha you need for your material life, Ramayana says, Kutumba Vriddhim, Dhanadhanya Vriddhim, Sriyascha Mukhyaha, all those blessings, plus you want spiritual progress. But you want your spiritual path to be easy, Sukha Radhyam. That is what we want. We don't want some really harsh penance. We want something that is easy to do, enjoyable even when we are doing it, and gives us the best possible blessings. For that, he says, there is some secret sauce that makes the meal of your life really special. You add that secret sauce to your life, your material life proceeds smoothly, your spiritual life proceeds smoothly, and you experience some kind of sukha, some kind of happiness. For that, all you have to do is you have to think about something. So the song says, Smarane Sukham.
Smarane Sukham Sri Guru Charana Smarane Sukham Duskara Bhavajala Nidhi Sankaraka Duskara Bhavajala Nidhi Sankaraka Paramarambana Shri Guru Charana Paramarambana Shri Guru Charana
Sri Guru Charana Smarane Sukham. Sri Guru Charana Smarane. All you have to do is think of your Guru's feet. Then everything becomes comfortable. Everything becomes happy. It's a big blessing for us in Brahma Sabha Chicago because, like every year, the global Brahma Sabha centers are celebrating Guru Purnima. And this session, we anyway have satsanga. This session is our offering to the Gurus through the global Brahma Sabha's Guru Purnima celebration. Everything happens because of God's grace. God's grace, Guru's grace is what leads our life. Okay? In Sundarakandam, all of you know, Hanuman is searching. He's searching for Sita Devi. He's gone. He has, of course, done amazing things. He has jumped across the ocean. He has talked to the golden mountain Mainaka. He has talked to Surasa. He has ripped apart Senhika. He has gone. He has made himself really small. Lankini has come. He has defeated her. She's like, please go search wherever you want to search. So he's been searching, but no Sita Devi. Chaturangula Matropi Navakasha Savidyate. A search, there's not even a space of 4 fingers left in Lanka. He's like, Are, ye kya ho gaya? Sita Devi, I have done so many things, but I cannot go back and tell Rama that I didn't find Sita Devi. It's going to be horrible for him, Nor can I just stay here and keep searching. How long I will search? Dono problem hai. Nivedhyamane doshasyat. Doshasyat anivedane. If I go back and tell Rama, Sita Devi is not found, he's going to be heartbroken. I cannot take that chance. If I stay here, all my friends, they are all waiting. His whole satsanga is waiting on the other side, waiting for him to come back. So he's very concerned. In Valmiki Bhagavan Sundarakanda, he's so concerned that he actually thinks about committing suicide. But it is different in Manas Sundarakanda. Sant Tulasidas, he doesn't want Hanuman to face all these troubles. He's like, kuch shortcut chahiye. I don't want him to keep searching, not find, and think about all these problems. So let me find a shortcut. So he says, Hanuman was searching, he saw the house of Vibhishana. And he's like, this looks like the house of a Rama Bhakta, because Rama Bhaktas have some special pages. You can look at them and say, this must be Rama Bhakta. So he walked into that house. Vibhishana is super happy. He says, only by God's grace we can get the company of greatly ascended souls. Binu Hari Kripa Milahi Nahi Santa. And I know that because I have had your darshana, Vibhishana is telling Hanuman, because I got your satsanga, I know for sure that Rama has blessed me. Otherwise this couldn't have happened. Avinashji is going to lead us through the Chaupai, like we do all Manas Sundarakanda. He will read and we will read. You know the process.
तब हनुमंत कही सब राम कथा निजना सुनत जुगल तन पुरक मगन सुबे गुण राम मंगल भवन मंगल हारी पुनः पवन सुत रहनि हमारी तात कबहु मोहि जानिय नाथा करि हरि कृपा मान गुण नाथा तामस तनु कछु साधन नाही अब मोहि भाव भरोस हनुमंता बिनु हरि कृपा मिलहि नहीं संता अब मोहि भाव भरोस हनुमंता बिनु हरि कृपा मिलहि नहीं संता Ramcharitmanas, in the Sundarakanda, he solves it. He says, Vibhishana told him, please go to Ashokavan. Sita Devi is there. In this particular set of Chaupais, they are saying, what a great blessing it is to be in Satsanga. Because Satsanga has the power to transform. It transforms one's life, All the people in Brahma Sabha know it, right? What was life before coming to Satsanga? What is life after? We have not given up anything. Okay. We take care of elderly parents. We take care of the house. Wives take care of the husbands. Husbands take care of the wives. Children are affectionate to parents. Parents are affectionate to children. They study well. They accomplish. All that is there. In addition, something else has also come. Not only are they enjoying great success in their material life, they are enjoying great progression in their spiritual life also. Somehow that has happened. So both things are happening. So they are doubly happy every day. And that has happened only because of satsanga. Because you get one darshana deva sadhana, or you get one brief time of interaction. It doesn't have to be long. 2 minute baat ho gaya, that is sufficient. Like Yamunacharya, he saw Ramanujacharya walking, just one kataksha was sufficient. He went and told God, please bless that child. He needs to accomplish so many big things. That's all. That changes your life totally. So in Ramayana, Aranya Kandam is there. Aranya Kandam is considered moksha kandam. Best, highest goal is there. Premyana once said he took the view from Shankaracharya's Vishnu Sahasranama Bhashya. There Shankaracharya says, if he is willing to give you moksha, then of course dharma, artha, kama are given because they are subsidiary goals. Suppose somebody is building a temple, they have gone to one rich man, to ask, please can you sponsor? And that rich man, say for example, is willing to donate $10 million. Then पूछने का ही नहीं whether he will donate 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, सब देगा, 10 तो दे रहा है. Similarly, because this satsanga can take you so high, it's going to give all the blessings required. It doesn't matter how you are. Okay, ko nahi yati param gatim. Even if you do not have any previous things that indicate that you are going to get big ascension, even if those things are not there, you are still going to ascend. Not because of some special thing you have, but because of the power of satsanga which has been set up by that kind of guru. That is the important. Who has set up? We honor all gurus. All gurus are great because they are all helping Sanatana Dharma. Okay. But we have special affinity towards some guru. In Bhagavatam, when we are reading that, they say, Anumat Samayana Guruna. All monkeys are great. They are all going to do stuff for Rama only. They are all devotees of Sita Rama. But we want that kind of guru for whom jumping 100 yojanas is nothing. Shatanyaham yojanana krameyam subahonyapi impuna sagarasyantam sankhyatam shatayojan. He says, I can jump thousands. What is this 100? You want that kind of guru. The guru who will say, I have come. Rama is going to come and give you darshana. You just sit here. What do you have to do? You enjoy your life, Baba. Whenever you can, you please say Ramanam. That kind of guru you want. You don't want a guru who says you have to control your mind. Apne se nahi hone wala hai. Chance hi nahi hai. You don't want somebody who says, please do this terrific yoga. It is good. If you can practice, please practice. Some good health benefits is there. But ascending through yoga is some other yoga dharma, not this yoga. So, show us all this. Very short, but extremely powerful story in Ramayana. Shabari Charitra. It is the name of a tribe actually. People who are hunters or tribal people living in the forests. One such tribe is called Shabara. So this girl is born in the Shabara tribe. So she was called Shabari. Okay. Not much happened with her life. Her parents, they were not with her for a long time. So she was living by herself in the forest. Very difficult. Don't have much role models, don't have much people to take care of you. So she has to observe what is happening around her and imitate that. Tough life. Very difficult life. So she's seeing all these birds, they are diving into the water, grabbing some fish and eating it. So you have to eat, no? So she's also diving into the water, becoming an expert fisherman, grabbing live fish, eating it raw. Or she's seeing some lion or some tiger. What they do? They pounce on some animal, kill it and eat it. So she's doing that. Then she sees some other monkeys or they are eating some fruits. So she's just following. In short, her life is just a little better than a wild animal. That is how her life is going. One big blessing, I don't know how it happened, but somehow before her parents left her, they have taught her some way to speak, some conversation. So she can manage some conversation. That is all. Otherwise, there is not much distinguishing her from the life of a regular wild animal. That is how she is leading her life. One day, See how life can change like that, you know. One day, she's been roaming about in the forest. She doesn't know, but she has come to an area of the forest called Matangavana. Why is it called Matangavana? Matanga Maharshi's ashram is there. She doesn't know. Okay. It is before sunrise, so it is still dark. But suddenly, she is smelling some nice flowers. Must they? Such fragrant flowers. So she is smelling that. Then she is looking. There is nice fruits in the trees. So she's like, oh, this area seems to be, an area with really good fruitful trees. So she's making a note of that. Suddenly she is seeing a nice mother deer, is caressing the head of a baby deer. It really touched her heart. Mother's affection always touches the heart, It has touched this Shabari's heart. She's suddenly thinking, oh my God, till yesterday I would have seen this as a great eating opportunity. I would have jumped on the deer, killed it and eaten it. Now I feel, why did I do that? Because if I kill the mother, then the baby deer is going to be so defenseless, nothing to take care of, just like her. Nobody to take care of. If I kill the baby deer, mother is going to be so sad. Why did I do all that? Maybe I will just eat the fruits from now on. Some change in her thinking, That itself is a big blessing. Because everything starts from your thinking. Okay, that's why your parents, they want you to be in satsanga. Because the company you keep influences what you like, what you don't like, what you think should be your goal in life. Everything depends on your group. What is cool? Let me do that. What apps should I have? Everything depends on your friend circle. So your parents, that's why they are like, please keep good company. Please keep good company, they say. So that itself is a blessing because her thinking is changing. Thinking has to change on the inside. Second big blessing, not only is her thinking changing, she's able to observe her thinking. And she's like, Arey, till yesterday I was thinking differently, today I am thinking differently. Why is that happening? So that is an ability to distance yourself from the thought and look at it and choose one thought versus another is big power, is big power for human beings. She's accessing that power unknowingly. All of us have that power. Very few people access it. You have a train of thought. Human beings have the ability. You can observe the train of thought, and if it is good, you can continue. If not, you can change it. Aisa hota hai, That is why we can change. All these things are going on in her head. She doesn't know it is because of the Sanidhya of Matanga Maharshi. So, even as she is thinking about all this, some people are walking. They are walking towards the river Pampa. Early morning, they do snana before sunrise, So, group of people are walking. Premi Anna gave beautiful mantra from Samaveda. Ahu, ahu, ahu. Ahamannam, ahamannam, ahamannam. Big mantra. How the jiva is related to the Parama, there is some Gita shloka. Mamevam sho jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana. They are reflection of that Parama. And how the Paramatma doesn't need anything else. It is self-sufficient. Atma ramascha munaya. You have everything you need. The happiness is inside. That is what they are singing. Ahamannam. I enjoy myself. My own existence is divine. My own awareness is divine. Therefore, my happiness is divine. Satri Chitta Anand. That is what this mantra is leading you to. Okay, it's very. So she's hearing that. All these people have gone to the river, come back. They have their own program. Subhe Prabodhanam se, Raat ko Dolo Samtak program is full. They are busy. She decided, these seem to be nice people. Let me do some kainkarya. Let me do something for them. The path, from the ashrama to the river, it is quite thorny, stony. So she decided, let me clear that path. She doesn't know. Mandira Marjana Kaikariam is a big Kaikariam. Ambarish Chatra, they say, the emperor and the empress think it is a big blessing to clean the temple and areas around the temple. She has unknowingly absorbed that particular Kaikarya. Few days have passed. Matang Muni is coming with his sishyas. He's saying, Hare, Rasta itna saaf hai. How is the path so clear? It used to be so thorny and so stony. What is this? How is it so clear? This is previous Yuga, okay? So all the sishyas were very truthful. They said, well, we don't know. We are not doing it. So Matanga Muni said, okay, that is the case. Most of the time people do Kaikarya because they want something. Like people will go to Ganesh ji, break some coconut and say, boss, mere ko promotion chahiye. Kuch to rahega. Something they will have in their mind, So please find out who is doing this Kaikarya. And you bring that person, we will offer them whatever blessings. Because Matanga Maharshi is a great tapasvi. He can say something and it will happen. Anugraha Shakti they have. Okay, Mahans have Anugraha Shakti. Nigraha Shakti they have kept aside. क्या निग्रह करने का? निग्रह नहीं करने का, अनुग्रह खाली करने का, और कुछ नहीं. Okay. So they have great powers of blessing. Okay. So next day morning, again she is cleaning. Suddenly she looked up. Tall sishyas are standing. They're like, who are you? She got scared. Pata nahi who these people are. So she said, my name is Shabari. He said, are you doing this every day? Yes, yes, yes. Our Guru wants to see you. No. Please don't take. She doesn't know. So the Sishyas explained, don't worry. Our Guruji is very kind. He wants to honor your Kaikar. That's why he's called. So they have called her. They have called her into the ashrama. They are all doing namaskara. No? Guruji is standing. Everybody is doing namaskara. So she is also doing namaskara. Sangha immediately changed. So Matanga Maharshi looked at her and said, what is your name? She said, my name is Shabari. He said, you are doing this Kaikarya? Yes, I am doing this. What would you like in return? Aapko kya chahiye? You are doing one Kaikarya, no? Some people want some payment, some people want some disease to be cured, some people want something else, whatever. Aapko kya chahiye? So Shabari looked at Matanga Maharshi and said, I feel so happy just doing this Kaikarya. Please bless me to continue this Kaikarya. I don't need anything else. Outside, she looks like a wild person, but Matanga Maharshi has looked inside. He has realized this is a person of great spiritual ascension. So he said, okay, from now, please stay with us in the ashrama. Put one more kutir for Shabari. You stay with us, you do all the Kaikarya that you are doing. Allowed. Now it is official. Official Kaikarya. So Kaikarya is going on. She must have joined Matanga Maharshi when she was 18, 20, in that age. Time has gone on and on and on. Every day she is participating in everything. Just like we sit in Parayana, we sit in Shatakam singing, we sit in hearing Kathashravana. She is also sitting. Everything is slowly making sense. All the scriptures are making sense. Whatever Matanga Maharshi is speaking is making sense. And she is absorbing everything. Not only that, some parts of the scriptures are considered very deep and very tough. Even those she is able to understand. Because of Guru Kripa. It's one thing to read and by heart some shlokas. That is considered sushka, dry. You can by heart. There are people who by heart 100 slokas, 1000 slokas. Aisa karta hai log. But it requires some special blessing for you to experience the wetness. That particular blessing is unexplicable. They call it vachama gochara. It's difficult to explain. Okay, but it comes because of that Guru. That Guru gives it. So Sadhma. Years have gone on. She is now become pretty old. Hair has become white.
All those normal things that happen when the body becomes cold. All those things have happened to her. One day, there's a lot of noise and people are running around everything in the ashrama. So she said, "Yeah, it's not. Normally everybody is calm and comfortable. Today everybody is running around very hyper excited. Doesn't look happy excited, looks sad. What is going on?" So one of the Sishyas came and told her, "Oh, maybe you didn't hear the news, but you know how sometime or other the body has to go, but Matanga Maharshi has decided today he is going to drop his body and he is going to ascend to meet his gurus." He's not going. So she's like, "What does all this mean? Drop the body, go. What's that mean?" She's asking. So they said, "That means, see, every day we come, we see him, we talk to him. You know, there is some parayana, there is some kirtana, there is some katashravana. All that is going on, no? From tomorrow, we may still be able to do that, but he won't be there." So she's shocked. Ye kya ho gaya? Because she cannot imagine her life without Matanga Maharshi's blessing. So she's like, "What is this? What should I do now?" So the Sishya said, he's calling Sishyas one by one. Whatever, he has to talk to them before he leaves his body. Leaves his body, matlab? Like us, people are going to, he's going to die that day. So she is very upset. One by one, Matanga Maharshi is calling various Sishyas. Kaushika, come here. Kaushika doesn't mean Vishwamitra. Somebody in Kaushika, Gotra. So everybody knows that Matanga Maharshi last day. So whatever you need to ask, you better ask now. That's it. Kal se puchne ko nahi hoga. So Kaushika says, Matanga Maharshi asks, "What would you like?" So he says, "I have spent so many years. You are very happy. But I heard there is some special power. People get some special powers. If they speak, then it becomes true. ऐसा कुछ powers होता है some लोगों के पास. Some people have that. So please give me that power." So Matanga Maharshi said, "Okay, please take this mantra. You chant it. Aksharat Laksha. Apurasrana Homa Brahmana Bhojanam. Mantra Siddhi Kadikku. You get, sorry, just a side joke. So you will get Siddhi, and if what you say will be true, tumko mil jayega. You will get that power." Next person, Bharadwaja. Boss, my family is very poor. Paisa nahi hai. Lot of things to be done. Can you please bless that we will never go hungry? That we will have sufficient money. Please give me that blessing. Matanga Maharshi said, "Yes, have that blessing." Gautama, come here. Some Shishya has run. He's saying, "Kya chahiye aapko? What do you need?" So he's saying, "I have two sisters. They need to get married. I need to get married also. Aisa lagta hai. Can you somehow find me a good job?" So he says, "See, a minister has come. Next kingdom, they are going to expand their ministry. You tell him that I sent you, aapko mil jayega." So one by one, people are asking things, and they are getting all these things. This Matanga Maharshi has got a big treasure, secret treasure. It is very, very valuable. He doesn't want to give it to somebody. He wants to give it to the very person who is worthy of receiving that. Okay. So he's thinking, I have this great treasure. Who should I give this to? Suddenly he remembered, oh, Shabari is there. So he called Shabari. Shabari rushed, did namaskar. So Matanga Maharshi said, "You know what is happening today?" She said, "Yeah, I understand. What would you like?" She said, "Please take me with you. You're going somewhere, please take me with you." So he said, "You will come to wherever I am going, but today is not the time. You ask for something else. What would you really like to get from me?" Shabari said, "So many decades ago I came to meet you for the first time. You asked the same question. What would I like? Answer is the same. Just allow Kainkarya. That's it. I don't need anything." So Matanga Maharshi said, "Please sit. I have something to give you. It's a big treasure. You have to safeguard the treasure." So she's thinking, "Okay, bada responsibility. Some treasure is going to be given." What treasure is going to be given?
Mirabai is going to tell us what treasure is going to be given.
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। वस्तु अमोलिका दी मेरे सतगुरु,
वस्तु अमोलिक दीने सद्गुरु,
वस्तु अमोलिक दी मेरे सतगुरु, कृपा कर अपनायो, पायो जी मैंने कृपा कर अपनायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाई,
जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाई,
जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाई, जग में कभी खोवायो, पायो जी मैंने जग में कभी खोवायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो।
Ratan means diamond. It's a big treasure. Vastu amol. You cannot estimate the value of this treasure. It is priceless. And she's saying, I got it from my Satguru. My Guru gave me. What is this treasure? It is a mantra. It is called Taraka mantra. It has the power to remove all difficulties, and it has the power to give all blessings, because it has two parts. The first part is for removing all dangers, apadam, apahartaram. That is the first part. Second part gives all blessings, dataram, sarva sampadam. You all know the mantra, Rama Nam. The way it comes from the Guru to the Sishya is, the Guru says Ramanama, the Sishya hears it and says it back. Rama 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 Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama Rama.
It's called Taraka mantra. He has given her that mantra. So Shabari is asking, are there any special rules? Because mantras have some rules. Are there any special rules? So Atanga Maharshi said, no rules. Any time you can say, morning, afternoon, evening, night. Whether you are lying down in bed, whether you are cooking in the kitchen, whether you are driving, whether you are listening to some music, whether you are studying, you are going to work, it doesn't whatever you are doing. For Shabari, of course, any Kainkariam you are doing, please say Ram Ram. When did this happen? Rama, Lakshmana and Sita have reached Chitrakutam. Remember, no, in Ayodhya Kanda, day 2 of Navaha. She has reached Chitrakuta. They are very happy. Jahau Chadukam Puravipravasam. So he's singing Pasya Maitini Chitrakuta Vanam Pasya Maitini Chitrakuta Vanam Pasya Maitini. Rama and Sita are very happy at that time, because Ayodhya Kanda is very difficult. All the incidents are, they really touch your heart, and Rama's devotees cry when they read that Kanda. But this particular part,
They are very happy. So at that time, Shabari has received this Araham. After that, now, another 12, almost 13 years have passed after that. Matanga Maharshi is no more. Shabari is continuing the Kainkaya every day, morning to night, Rama, 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 Rama. All this. Before Matanga Maharshi departed, she had asked him, what is the meaning of this mantra? You are giving me this mantra. What is the meaning? Matanga Maharshi could have done huge discourse on the meaning of Rama mantra. Ra is Agni Bija, it removes all papas. Ma is Amrutali. All that he could have said. Or he could have said, there is one great Vishnu mantra in Pranava Namo Narayanaya. Ra is the seed of that. There is another great Shiva mantra, Pranava Nama Shivaya. So Ma is the power in that. All those Shiva's power, Vishnu's power, everything is Rama's power. He could have said so many things. So many depth in Rama Nama. But he said, you keep saying this. Whatever is the meaning of that mantra will come. It will come searching for you and it will give you darshana. She has been waiting. Because Guru has said, you keep this, you keep doing the Kainkarya, Rama will come. Every day she has been doing. Already she was quite old when Matanga Maharshi departed. Now another 12, 13 years, body has become really old. When you become old, it's difficult. Certain things are difficult, Like if you're sitting, getting up itself is a challenge. Small things like that become challenge. What to do? It is Sharira Dharma. Can't help it, As much as you practice yoga, pranayama, some benefit is there, but finally age catches. So she is thinking, I am very happy that my Guru has blessed me, but he has said, Rama will come and give darshana. I am just waiting for that. Otherwise, this body has become too old. All of you know lotus flower, no? It grows in marshy ponds. Pond is marshy, but the flower is pure. Lotus leaf and lotus petal, they have a special characteristic. Even though it is growing in water, it doesn't absorb the water. If you put the water on the leaf, it will stay on top. Or on the petal, it will stay. If it moves slightly, the drop of water will fall down. She is saying, my life is, my prana is staying as if it is a drop of water on the lotus petal. Thoda sa idhar udhar hua to nikalne wala. I am at that stage. The only reason I am holding my life is because my Guru told me that Rama, the meaning of this mantra is going to come and give me darshan. Jarjari
prerequisites. You have to finish that. There are some if there are some prerequisites, and if I don't qualify, even then, because Guruji has said that you are going to give darshan, please honor his words. Satyam vinatum nijavritya bhashitam. Nijavritya. He is a true devotee of you. So his words, you please make that successful. Therefore you give darshan. Every day she has been going to Pampa river, bringing fruits, keeping it ready, all day waiting for Rama's darshan. If it doesn't come, then that evening she distributes as prasada to all the children. Been happening every day. 13 years she has been doing this. That is her practice. Ramanama, collecting fruits, waiting for Rama. Today she is feeling really tired. She said, boss, it may happen that I may not last. It is not Rama's fault. It is not Guru's fault. I am too old. What to do? She is thinking, last day hone wala hai mera. She's got some feeling that it's going to be not much time is remaining. Suddenly, some boys, it's late afternoon, early evening, some boys have come and they have knocked on her door. Grandmother. She said, what happened? You said some people will come searching for you. 2 men have come, they are looking for you. So she's thinking, oh, is it possible that Rama has come? Is it possible? So she is rushing to the door, opening the door. Sant Tulsidas gives us the darshana that Shabari had through this shloka.
Kundendu Varasundarau Ativalau Vijnanadhamau Shobhadyo Varadhanvinau Srutinutau Govipravrunda Priyau Maya Manusharupinau Raghuvarau Sadharmavar Sitanveshana Tatparau Patigatau Bhakti Pradau Tauhinaha
Kundendi Varasundaram. One of them is looking dark blue in color, like a blue lotus. There is something called a blue lotus. He is looking like a blue lotus. The other one is shining like he is bright white, molten gold. He is shining. Kundendi Sundaram. They are looking so handsome, so attractive. Some people who are attractive don't look strong, but these people are looking attractive and they are so strong. Ati Balau. Some people who are like very attractive, very strong, they don't have, But these people look like they have great intelligence and great experience. Vijnana, Dhamma, Bhubhav. And they are shining. Shobhadyam. They are holding big dhanush in their hand. Vara, Dhanvinam, Raghuvaram. They look like they have great respect and offer great protection to Sanatana Dharma. Go Vipra Drinda Priyam. Just looking at them, she has understood. This is Avatar. Maya Manusha Rupina. Just because it looks like a human being, don't make a mistaken calculation. This divine being has come to you in this form. What have they come? I have lost Sita Devi. They are searching. Excuse. What they have actually come for is collecting devotees. They are building one grand necklace. Ramayana Mahamala Ratnam Vande Aniladmajam is still to be found. That big diamond is still to be found, So they are saying, Sita Anveshana Tatmaram. It is just an excuse. I am searching for Sita, but they are collecting devotees. Sugriva is going to come, Vibhishana is going to come, Shabari is going to come. So many devotees, all the Vanara devotees, all the Rockstar devotees, everybody is going to join only because they enacted this drama. What is the purpose? Why have they done this? Sole reason. Bhakti Pradam Tauhina. we are going to give us some treasure called bhakti. Some treasure called bhakti. Because of Guru's grace, Shabari has obtained God's grace. She's invited them in. She knows. So it's a long association with Matanga Maharshi. She knows who this is. Immediately she is what she do Father Puja. She is pressing their feet. Itna chal ke aaya, wo pair without. Pressing their feet. Lakshmana is feeling shy. You are much older. Please don't touch. We will touch your feet. Rama is saying, relax. Let her do whatever she wants. Rama is talking. When you meet old people, you should not say, oh, is your head okay? Is your back okay? I say, kuch nahi hai. You should ask them, how is your tapas? How is your parayanam going? Kachite, vardate, tapaka. He is asking, is your tapas going okay? Because people who read so many chapters a day, some people have Sapta Sarga Parayana. I will read 7 chapters of Bhagavatam, of Sundarakanda. Some people will say, I will do 1 Pathabhishekam in 27 days. Punarvasu Pathabhishekam. There are some rules. Only people who follow that, they understand the joy it provides. Kachite niyama prata. Kachite manasa sukham. Is your insides happy? Rama is asking all this. She knows because of her Guru's grace who has come. But he has some rules. He will not say, I am God in this avatar. Brahma will come and say, oh, you are Vishnu Sanatana. He will say, oh, I don't know. Atmanam Manusham Manye Ramam Dasharatha Atmajan. I consider myself to be son of Dasharatha. I am just a very ordinary human being, he will say. But Shabari, you have to tell her, boss, your Guru says I have come. So he is speaking in code language. He is asking her, Kachite Guru Sushrusha Safala. You didn't kindness him to your Guru, no? Has that been successful? See the way they speak with each other. They speak in experience. The outside words are just words. So Shabari is saying, you ask me, no? Has my tapas been successful? Has my sushrusha to my gurus been successful? Right now, adya prapta tapasyanti. Adya means just now. Rama is saying, how come just now? Tava sandarshana. Because I got your darshana. What more do I need? So Premyana has a beautiful song of how happy getting Bhagavad Darshana. So much happiness Shabari is that she is offering worship through this song.
Adya me janma sabalam. Adya me janma sabalam. Adya me karma sabalam. Adya me karma sabalam. Adya me janma sabalam. Satya Sarupa Sadguna Shila
Janma has become successful. Whatever activities I have done, all of them have become successful because of your darshan. My Guru had told me, you keep chanting this Taraka Mantra, one day the meaning will come and give you darshan. That has happened. So my Gurus are happy, I am happy. Everything has become successful today. After this darshana, Kim Ata Param, what more do I need? Then she remembers, Are Bapre, I bought all these fruits, I have not given. So she is offering all those fruits. Rama is asking, did all those boys bring these fruits? He is saying, no. Mama eva sanchitam. I brought them. Oh, in your backyard you have nice fruit trees. They are fruiting, is it? He said, no. Pampaya stira samvaram. It is a few miles from here. I go to Pampa river here. Here also fruits are nice. Idhar bhi acha hi hai, but those fruits are extra delicious. That is what is meant when in some stories they say somebody bit the fruit and gave. It is okay. That bhava they are saying, but what Premyana says is, having been in Matanga Maharshi's tradition for decades, she will not do that. So he gives a different explanation. What he says is, that particular tree she has tasted and she knows that particular tree is sweet. But for great emperors, even that is juta. So it's not like she bit this fruit and gave, but she has tested that fruit because she wants to make sure the best fruit comes for Rama. Rama is super happy. So he's saying, how did you know I was going to come today? Because you said you walked so many miles, you collected all these fruits. How did you know I was going to come today? So she said, no. 12, 13 years ago, my Guru told me every day I have been collecting. Rama is thinking, my God, what is this Guru that he has blessed this person so much? Aisa kaun sa Guru hai? That Guru has blessed so much. How is this possible? So Shabari said, please come. I will show you the ashrama Sannivesha. Even today, Guru Sanidhyam is there. Just like wherever Ramayana is read, wherever Sundarakandam is read, wherever Ramrava Shatakam is being sung, Janaki Vijay is read, there Hanuman is sitting. Etra Gunata Kirtanam, Tatra Tatra Kadamastaganchali, Bhashpavari Paripurna Lochanam, Marutim, Namate. You offer namaskaram to that Maruti because he is sitting there. Sanidhyam is there. Whether the physical body is there or not there, I don't know. You come and see the ashrama, Matanga Maharshi's Sanidhyam is there. And that is providing the blessing. So Rama is so happy to see all the places of worship. Even today, all the flowers are there, all the fruits are there, everything is there. Yes, see, Shabari is looking at him and saying, I am feeling complete. I am feeling complete. Whatever I wanted, everything is done. I am very happy. And I know that it has only happened, I know how qualified I am. I don't have much qualification. But it has only happened because of Guru's grace.
Sadguru Kripaya Paripurnam Me Sadguru Kripaya Paripurnam Me Hridaya Vidam Tvayi Satyakame Hridaya Vidam Tvayi Satyakame Because of Guru's grace, everything has happened so well. Just like all of us know.
They're living in so many countries. Some people in Australia, some in Malaysia, Singapore. So many people in India. So many people in the Middle East, in Africa, in Switzerland, in UK, and so many people in North America. Washington, New York, Philadelphia, Boston, Midwest, Bloomington, Chicago. You keep going. Denver, Houston, Dallas, Atlanta. So many places Brahma Sabha is there. Because he has provided that satsang. We may not be able to go and see the Guru every time, but every place he has made some satsang. So we are able to enjoy. We wake up in the morning, Nityotsav Bhajan. Somebody is singing Prabodhana. Somebody is singing Bhoga Puja. At night somebody is singing Dolotsav. Suddenly during the day somebody is doing Parayanam. What is your Parayanam? My Parayanam is Bhagavatam. I'm listening to Premi Anna's Bhagavatam and reading along with. Or somebody is doing Ramayana. What is your afternoon program? Oh, Premi Anna's cassettes, audio is there. I'm listening to that. What you are doing in the evening? Oh, Raghava Shatakam is there. 100 songs. Yuga Shatakam is there. 100 songs. Govinda Shatakam is there. 100 songs. It's all given. So many treasures. So we are just enjoying. Our life has become a life of enjoyment. Some other people think to be in the spiritual path, you have to really struggle, you have to do Atma, Anatma, Vicharam, you have to understand the body is. Please do. You have to do dhyana, you have to control the mind. Please do. Our path is different. Premi Anna has invited us to a grand buffet. He has made so many of these things. It's all ready. आपको नया कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. You just read Vaishnava Samhita, you read Vrindavana Mahatmya, you read Divya Deshavali. He has created everything already. You read that, you feel so happy, and you get one group of devotees, like-minded devotees. They also feel happy. क्या किया आज? Today is Vaishnava Samhita Parayana. One child is going to speak about Madhusudana Saraswati Charitra. All the adults are happy, grandparents are happy. They are blessed that way. And today, of course, because Guru Purnima celebration, Brahma Sabha Global, Shabari Charitram's Katashravanam today, Chicago's offering to the Brahma Sabha Global. Rama is watching, he is a Sakshi. Shabari Moksha, Sakshi Bhutani Brahma. In other places, he is giving. Like for Jatayu, he is saying, you go to Moksha because I have said it. It is different here. Shabari's moksha is guaranteed by her guru. So Rama is telling Lakshmana, let us watch the moksha of Shabari. It is a blessing for us. He is saying. Rama is saying, this guru has already blessed Shabari. So when she ascends, it is a blessing for us to watch. Yatra tesu mahatmanah viharanti maharshayah tat punyam Shabari sthanam jagama Atma Samadhina. Atma Samadhina. It shows that in the satsanga Vivekana Hoi, Rama Kripa Vini Silavana Soul, God decides to bless. He gives us the company of great souls. Those great souls, through their satsanga, transform our lives. It doesn't matter. Just like one small piece of dust may not be able to do much, but if there's a nice wind, it goes on top of the mountain. Similarly, all of us, just because we are in satsanga, we are able to ascend to great heights. So we end this session with our namaskara to the Gurus.
स्वजनजनमल सरोवर विकसित सरसी युग मृदु चरणा गंभीर गमन करुणायत नयन कलाधर श्रीकर वदना ललित विशाल ललाट विभासित गोपी चंदन तिलका जय जय परिमल हरणा जय हरिनाम विहरणा जय हितकर मृदु वचना देव शैल समधीर उदारा करुणा पारा पारा जय श्री माधुरी रमणा जय श्री माधुरी रमणा जय श्री माधुरी रमणा।
जय प्रेमिकेंद्र सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय।